Hello, my name is Detelina Ivanova. I am a scientist at Scripps Institution of Oceanography, California. In my work, I have to make presentations on a daily basis, on project meetings, on workshops, on big conferences, and speaking up and sending your message clearly and with confidence, it's essential. But if you're introvert by nature like me, speaking up, being a center of attention, it's out of my comfort zone. I warn though that building your confidence and speaking eloquently and persuasively, it's skills, and those skills can be learned. So Anna Maria workshop is one excellent source for that. She's giving us knowledge of state-of-the-art behavior sciences, and she's presenting it in interesting, interactive way, keeping us engaged all the time. My personal highlight from this workshop was that she helped me build this vision of my future self, of me being strong, confident, not being afraid of voice myself. And I imagine myself speaking on a TED Talk stage one day with confidence and passion, telling my story of success to the world. And this vision now is imprinted in my brains. I'm getting up with it. I'm falling asleep with it, dreaming about it. And I'm confident now. I have everything what it takes to build my dream.